KLIF News Time is 7:09. Well, legal experts say Disney could be facing a massive lawsuit after the death of a young boy that was carried away by an alligator at a resort.
Rob Crain is an attorney at Crain Lewis in Dallas, and he joins us now live. Good morning, Rob.
Good morning.
I guess it's only a matter of time before the family of little Lane Graves files a lawsuit against Disney.
They'll probably have a lawyer already in tow, or they'll get one very soon. They may not file a lawsuit immediately. I suspect this one will garner a lot of attention as far as pre-suit settlement discussions, that's for sure.
What do you think would be the primary argument?
Well, a hotel operator has a duty to its guests called an invitee status, which means that if you know or should have known of a dangerous condition on your premises, then you have a duty to warn or make safe that dangerous condition. And the question here is, did they know about the alligators, and was their warning sign, which said no swimming, sufficient? Those will be the key issues, and both of those, based on the early facts, do not look good for Disney.
I was going to say, it seems like they've known about the alligators probably since they opened, because there's a video that surfaced now from 2009 that a visitor took of one of the employees of Disney actually shooing away a small alligator near one of the rides, and you see people right there near that Splash Mountain ride and the little gator coming ashore.
And it looks even worse than that. The Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission has gone on a press conference and told everybody that Disney actually has a full staff that's sole job is to monitor the waters of their various properties, and they have an open permit which allows them, when they find or see a alligator, to go in and take that alligator out and do as they need. And I've seen on the internet now families who have been there where alligators have come out are talking about their experiences as well. So I think that's going to balance out in favor of the family if there's ever a suit here.
Do you expect the suit to go to trial, or do you think there'll be a settlement?
I think, based on the knowledge they likely had of the alligators and the signage they have, which all it said was no swimming. This child was in 6 inches to 1 foot of water that was there on a beach area that was built out for the customers. I think Disney would be foolish not to entertain pre-suit discussions with them. It depends on how aggressive the family wants to get. They're from Elkhorn, Nebraska. Every indication I've seen is a traditional American family, and my guess is they're not going to want to go through a long litigation process over what is just a terrible, heartbreaking situation.
Yeah, well, no amount of money can replace a child, that's for sure. Rob, thank you so much for your time and your expertise this morning. We do appreciate it.
Anytime.
Rob Crain, attorney with Crain Lewis in Dallas.